Hello and welcome to another English lesson. Today's video is called At the Restaurant. Today we're going to learn how to make a reservation, how to book a table, how to order, how to pay, and how to talk about problems at the restaurant. Let's start with booking a table. I'd like to book a table. I'd like to book a table. So the second time I'm reading, please read out loud with me. I'd like a table for two. I'd like a table for two. Could we have a table by the window? Could we have a table by the window? Could we join these tables? Could we join these tables? I would like to make a reservation. I would like to make a reservation. Do you have any free tables? Do you have any free tables? Now let's see questions from the restaurant. When for? When for? Meaning on what day? At what time? At what time? For how many? For how many? Meaning for how many people do you need a table for? For how many people? Arriving at the restaurant. Good evening. I have a table booked for two. I have a table booked for two. Meaning I have a table booked for two people. Good evening. Follow me, please. Right here. Good evening, follow me please, right here. Placing your order. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? Or may I take your order? May I take your order? What would you like to order? What would you like to order? What would you recommend? What would you recommend? I would like to see the menu. I would like to see the menu. Could I see the wine list? Could I see the wine list? Could I bring you something to drink? Could I bring you something to drink? I would like a beer. I would like a beer. Or I would like a bottle of wine. I would like a bottle of wine. I will have the, or we will take the. Now during the meal. Excuse me, could you bring us another bottle of wine? Another bottle of wine or another beer? Could you bring us another beer? Or could you bring us some more bread? Some more bread? Or could you bring us some water? Some water? Was everything all right? Was everything all right? Was the food all right? Was the food all right? Thanks, that was delicious. Thanks, that was delicious. Now when it's time to pay. Check, please. Check, please. Or you could say the bill, please. The bill, please. Cash or card? Cash or card? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can we pay separately? Can we pay separately? When we want to pay separately, we can ask, could you split the bill? Could you split the bill? Is the tip included? Is the tip included? Now, problems. This is not what I ordered. This is not what I ordered. The food is cold. The food is cold. Or the beer is warm. The beer is warm. The beer is not cold. Will it take much longer? Will it take much longer? The food is overcooked. The food is overcooked or burnt. It is too salty. It is too salty. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to egg. I'm allergic to seafood or fish. Or I'm lactose intolerant. I'm lactose intolerant. Or the worst, I'm gluten intolerant. I'm gluten intolerant. This concludes our today's lesson. If you have questions, I will gladly answer them. If not, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.